Hey, Pam Adair on day 32. Today I thought I'd share a really valuable resource with you, something that I've been using for a couple of years, and I don't really even think about it most of the time, but for some reason I thought about it today, and I thought about how grateful I am to have this. It's a proactive antivirus software. So how is that different than what I had before or what most people do have? Well, see, most antiviruses will just stop you from getting or having loaded onto your computer anything that's already been detected, already been found. Whereas this software will actually stop anything that hasn't been whitelisted. It will check it to see if it's safe, and then it will ask you if you want to load it. So, see, the problem is you and I will go on to Facebook, we'll go on to YouTube, we'll click on an email, and there'll be a virus attached to that that will automatically install something on our computers unbeknownst to us. So what this does is it stops it. And you know, I used to have to take my computer in or have my computer guy come out to the house on an average of at least once a year. Oftentimes, more often than that, because the computer was running too slow or it had caught something that was really stopping it from running properly. So with this, I haven't had him out in the last 2 years, and that's pretty phenomenal. Anyway, another thing, I've had friends that have had disabled computers that they have run scans on with the other softwares out there, couldn't find anything. They ran a scan with this particular product, found things, cleaned it up, and their computers were running again. Now, no guarantees on this, but I'm just telling you, my personal experience has been really, really great. And it's something I don't think about much because it just runs. You know, it's in the cloud. It updates automatically. I don't need to think about it. And it just has saved me so much anguish and money on top of that. So I'm going to include some links with some other videos below this so you can check it out. See if it's something you might be interested in. Hope you're having a great day.